So here we are coming up with very well equipped aesthetic gynecology center, first of its kind in Nasik city.
Hello everyone, we are excited to have Dr. Kavita Darade with us today. She is an expert in women's health and she has some exciting news for Nasik. Her renowned Panacea IVF Center is relocating to a new location in Nasik, offering advanced care for women in the area. Let's dive and learn more about this exciting move. Welcome, Dr. Kavita Darade.
Thank you so much.
So, can you share more about why you decided to expand to Nasik?
So, my medical journey started 8 years ago. We have our first center in Yeola by name of Panacea Hospital Fertility and Laparoscopy Center. There we had huge response from patients and we were getting many patients from Nasik. So after some days, considering patients' demand, we started OPD in Nasik and there also we had great response. Then we decided to start our second center in Nasik. So that's why we are here.
Good. So, what service will Panacea offer at new Nasik location?
As we have advanced laparoscopy and fertility, similar services would be offered here. So in our Yeola center, we have 3D laparoscopy, which is first and only 3D laparoscopy center in entire Nasik district. Also, we have very well equipped state-of-art IVF lab there. So similar services we are going to offer here. Along with that, we have some more newer services we are planning to start here.
So, ma'am, what are these new services you are going to provide here in new location?
So, as I said, we are going to offer fertility services, maternity services here. Apart from that, here we are coming up with very new thing, which is called cosmetic gynecology.
Cosmetic gynecology. Oh, I have heard this in metro cities. So, are you bringing this here? So, it's a new thing for Nasik. So, can you just please explain our Nasik audience or Nasik women what exactly the cosmetic gynecology is?
See, cosmetic gynecology or aesthetic gynecology is popular term, but to be honest, it is more of a functional gynecology. Undoubtedly, baby is most precious thing for mother, but we have to pay for it, be it our physical appearance or internal changes. So post delivery, many women, most of the women, they suffer from vaginal laxity, lack of control over urine, over stool. Then there is laxity of abdominal wall, diastasis of recti, umbilical hernia. Post breastfeeding, many women suffer from saggy breast. Then apart from this, there are many other changes like melasma, stretch marks. So not only physical appearance, it changes not only our physical appearance, but it has great impact on our mental health also. So aesthetic or cosmetic gynecology is all about restoring these internal changes and physical appearances back to normal.
Okay.
So services which we are going to provide to correct all these problems will come under the program which we call as Mommy Makeover.
So, ma'am, is this cosmetic gynecology is only for new mothers?
No, it is not only for new mothers. It will cater all women right from puberty, not up to menopause, beyond menopause. So if you see, during puberty, because of sudden weight gain, young girls also can have stretch marks. So we are going to cater those girls also. Then when you are planning for pregnancy, so see, Mommy Makeover is just not about post delivery services. When you are planning a pregnancy will have effect on your body itself. So because of weight of pregnancy, pelvic floor get weakens. So when you are planning for pregnancy, apart from taking multiple vitamins, folic acid, it is necessary to strengthen your pelvic floor also. So we advise our clients, our patients, to strengthen their pelvic floor before they get pregnant. So the damage to pelvic floor will be less and So it would be easier to restore that function. Then coming to perimenopausal and menopausal women. So this cosmetic gynecology or functional gynecology will tackle their problems also, be it itchy vagina, recurrent vaginal infections, recurrent urinary tract infection, painful intercourse, leakage of urine, and many more. So it will not cover only new mommies. It will provide services to women of all age group. See, apart from perimenopausal and menopausal, there is some group which is newly sexually active. In those women, we see many problems like vaginismus, that is painful intercourse, and it is reason for non-consummation of marriage. We routinely see such patients. So this field is going to help those people also who have vaginismus, that is painful intercourse. Also women, some women, they have recurrent vaginal infections after intercourse, so because of lack of lubrication. So this we are going to cover in this. Also some women, they have problem of lack of orgasm. So and because of that they might have lack of interest in sex. So here we will cover that problem also. So it will cater to all women right from puberty and beyond menopause. So here we are coming up with very well equipped aesthetic gynecology center, first of its kind in Nasik city, and we are very excited about it.